It's too late, okay? Wait. Kasi meron siyang labas na ano eh. Charlie. So, lalabas pa yung ano niya dito. Ay, wala na siyang tubig. Kailangan ako mag-refill ng tubig. Wala nang tubig eh. Kailangan, diba? Dumi. Kailangan akong mag-refill ng tubig dito. Kasi hindi ko yung refillan niya. So, now, it's ready. Naiihi pa ako ba? Iwanan ko tong phone dito. So, okay, you can choose. There's a espresso longo, coffee, long espresso, americano, 2 times espresso with ice na yan siya. Mag-produce siya ng ice dyan, coffee ice, espresso ice, then espresso 2 times. Okay, so I just choose coffee. Yeah, that's it. Ria, take 5 to 5 minutes clip from live for... What's that? Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, sure. Thank you. So, 5 minutes clip. Okay. Okay. So, that's it. So, I need to take out this. Then, put it back. This one. So that I don't want clean by themselves here. So, turn it off. Then, time to starting down. Yeah, see? It's cleaning time. Okay? So, this is the coffee lover. Okay. Then, this is the luncheon meat with thing. It's quite hot. Yeah, so I need to cut this one to save for later. Hit the... Okay. Wait! I need to show to dance first. Ano bang ginagawa mo? Oh yeah, bebe. Parang problemado ka. Iniwan ka ng asawa mo. May pinagpalit sa iba. Oh yeah, bebe. Masakit talaga sa first time. Pag iniwan ka ng asawa mo, ipinagpalit ka na. Iniwanan ka pa. Masakit ng katayan. Gamutan ko sa masakit ng katayan. Gamutan ko si ikaw. Masakit ng katayan. Gamutan ko si ikaw. Masakit ng katayan. Himara ko si kakasakit. Kasakit. Di manali